This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining a clear structure so every entry fits predictably. Set headers in row 1 and lock them with view freeze so they stay visible. Next, format columns. Choose date format for dates, currency for money, and plain text for notes. This prevents errors when you sort. Then paste or import your raw data starting in row 2. Once done, check 3 rows for correct types and fix any misparsed dates before moving on. Now clean and transform so analysis works smoothly. Use text to columns or split to separate combined fields. This makes each value usable. Apply filters to focus on ranges and conditional formatting to highlight outliers like negatives or blank cells. Use trim to remove stray spaces, value or date value to convert text numbers or dates, and simple helper columns for normalized categories. Make sure formulas are applied down the column and locked where necessary so copied rows inherit validation rules. Finish by summarizing and securing your sheet. Build a pivot table or use SUMIFS and Query to create a concise report that updates with new rows. Then protect key ranges and set sharing permissions to control edits. Before wrapping up, sort and filter to validate totals and scan for blanks or hash value errors. If something breaks, check cell formatting first, then validate formulas and remove hidden characters. Often a stray space or wrong format causes the issue and is easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.